Hi everyone, I'm gonna show you today. Actually, I'm working in 2011 Volkswagen CC. There is light comes in the dashboard. I'm gonna show it to you. I'm gonna make it look here. See this light? That's mean there is a light bulbs burn in the rear lights. It's very easy to fix. You see it? If your dashboard has this light, that's mean there is bulbs burn, needs to be replaced. It's a few minutes to replace it. It's very easy. I'm gonna walk you through to it. Okay, there you go. This is the light. Try to check it at night, see which light is not working, either the right side or the left side, one of them. I'm gonna show you. It's very easy to take it out. Just open this cover and look here in the back. You see it? You see the wire is going to the station or just the stand for the light. The light goes in that white things, and if you put your finger right here, just push it in and pull, it comes out. You see all the lights, all the bulbs, you will see it. It's very easy. Just replace the burn one. Look close to it, closely. You see it's not burn. Just I want to show you how you replace it in Volkswagen. It's take you a few minutes, that's all. You see it? I'm gonna show you the black holder. The thing's holding it is right here. Look it. You just pull it like that, and the station or the stand for the lights, it comes out. Replace the one burn, and that's it. You can do it at home. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.